structural reform in educational system 10 plus 2 model, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. So hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So today, as you have seen in the topic of the video, that today we will discuss about structural reform in educational system 10 plus 2 model. So today we will talk about the structural reform which has been made in this year 2020 in the educational system. So first we will talk about what educational system said about it. The educational system said that the shift from the decades old education system to establish a student to become an engaged, productive and contributing citizen for building an equitable, inclusive and plural society. One amongst the many changes in that structural reform in the school system from the existing 10 plus 2 model is that the curricular and pedagogy is changed and will now be guided by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 design. So what does that mean? How it will impact our educational system? So today I am here to explain this, that how it will impact our educational system. So first, that we know, as I have said, that the educational system will be changed from 10 plus 2 model to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. As I have here the highlights of the new educational system. So the first point says that the foundation stage, there will be 4 parts of this system. So first part, the foundation stage, student between the age of 3 to 8 years will be the part of foundation stage. The stage will be split into 3 years of preschool and 2 years of grades 1 to 2. This stage consists of play activity based learning. So this is generally for junior schools. It will teach them good behavior, personal and public hygiene, cleanliness, teamwork and cooperation learning exercises. So after this we have second point, the preparatory stage. Students in the formative age group of 8 to 11 years studying in grade 3 to 5 will form the preparatory stage. Preparatory stage will transit gradual from play-based learning to more formal but interactive classroom learning. With the introduction of some new subjects, emphasis will be on subjects like reading, writing, speaking, physical education, art, language, science and mathematics. So these two stages I have discussed of foundation stage and preparatory stage. Foundation means 5 and preparatory 3. So after this we have 3 years of middle stage, means it says that widening the scope of learning, the students of grade 6 to 8 between age 11 to 14 will be introduced to more abstract concepts in subjects like science, mathematics, arts, social science and humanities. This was of 3 years, and at last we have fourth model which consists of 9, 10 and 11, 12. So the last stage is understudy between 14 to 18 years. The stage consists of 2 sub-stages covering 9, 10 and 11, 12, which I have said. This stage will comprise of 4 years of multidisciplinary study with great depth, greater critical thinking, greater attention to life aspirants, and greater flexibility and student choice. The high school stage may also allow exposure to more subjects and enable great flexibility. So this was the first thing about this, and after this we have here the main thing. The medium of instruction up to grade 5 and preferably till grade 8 and beyond will be home language, mother tongue and local language. This is very good thing to know that now students will learn their academics with their mother tongue language. So beginning with mathematics, all subjects will be offered at level 2. Students will have 10 bags less day during they are taught a vocational of their choice, informal internship. Board exams and school exams. School exams will be held only for 3 levels, class 3, 5 and 8. Assessment will shift to a formative style which encourages higher order thinking skills, critical thinking and conceptual clarity. Board exams to continue, but these will design for holistic developments. So this will develop our students to reach higher success in their life. So higher education and college entrance. Apart from this, 10 plus 2 means 12th till 12th. After this, the National Testing Agency will conduct a common college entrance twice a year. This will be implemented from the session 2022. So bachelor degree will be of 4 years and exist options as follows. The first, if we exit it at first year, so it will give a certificate. If we exit at second year, it will give us diploma certificate, and mid-term dropouts will be given the option to complete the degree after a break. The students are being given the choice to complete after a break. Indian arts, language, culture will be promoted at all levels. So bachelor program will be multidisciplinary in nature and there will be no rigid separation between arts and science. So MPhil degree will be discontinued. This is one of the most important thing. So MPhil degree is discontinued. And at last it is written that by 2040 at higher education institutions like IIT will become multidisciplinary. There will be greater inclusion of arts, humanities subject for science student and vice versa. So this was all about the new education system which has been introduced in India in year 2020 after 34 years of the old educational system. So hope this education system will bring changes in the further students who will be entering this type of education system. As I have said, so the main change in this model is that it is guided by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. So conclusion is that the design consists of 4 stages: foundational, preparatory, middle and higher school stage. So in this video I have discussed about structural reforms in educational system from the existing 10 plus 2 model, that how it is being changed. Hope you guys would have understood about the educational system. So kindly support our channel, watch our videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends, as it is very important for students and the forthcoming students who are there and who will follow this type of education system. So thank you, have a good day, Jai Hind.